everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to drape this sari in 3 different ways. What I love about saris is that they're only really confined by your imagination. There's endless possibilities to how you can wear it. And today we're going to do the Nivvy drape because we have to start off with the traditional, most popular Nivvy drape. And then I'm gonna drape it as a half sari or over top and skirt as a shawl. And then finally, I'm gonna turn this sari into the most beautiful skirt. So let's get started. The first one will be the Nivvy drape. You can check out my other videos for how to drape. For the second drape, I'm gonna use the Sky Swan sari as the shawl, but I need a skirt. So I'm gonna use the black swan to create my skirt over the Saree Silhouette. And I prefer doing this over draping it over a can because I am gonna wear a sari on top. It's a lot of layers. I wanna keep this not too voluminous. I'm wearing the Saree Silhouette from Bhuva.com. This is a great foundations piece for your Nivvy drapes, for any drape, and even for turning your sari into a skirt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tuck it in like that and then create pleats. Now you can create any kind of pleats. You can do box pleats or just regular pleats, but I'm just gonna take these kind of wide pleats to create the look of a pleated skirt. And ensure that you have your skirt tucked in pretty tight so that nothing comes out. And what I like to do is just like move my Saree Silhouette. So I'm not tucking into the back. Once you have your skirt, you can start draping the sari. I'm gonna pleat my pallu, and just very rough pleats will do. Because it's a textured sari, you really can't go wrong. So once you have your pallu pleats, you just want to pin that together. Okay, so you want to just put it over your shoulder and then take the rest of the sari and pleat it. I'm going to leave about 1.5 feet of material and then start pleating. And then tuck that into the back. And then you want to take the end and pleat it down the side. There you have it. You can choose to wear a belt with this look or just leave it as is. I think it looks beautiful either way. And finally, we're going to turn the sari into a can-can skirt, and all you have to do is drape it over a fuller, voluminous skirt. It's pretty much the same technique. You want to create these wide pleats. You want to just repeat that all along the entire skirt. To make it easier for you, you can just move the skirt so that you're constantly tucking into the front and not trying to like reach around to the back where you can't really see. Okay, so in this case, I still have a little bit of sari left, so I can just go ahead and keep tucking. And the last bit, you want to just pleat inside and kind of like hide that so you can't really tell where the pleats start or the sari ends and where it begins. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed those 3 looks. I love how a sari, 6 yards of fabric, can be manipulated to look and drape any which way you'd like, confined only by the endless possibilities in your imagination. That's why I personally fell in love with saris, and I hope to share that love with you guys over these series of videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. If there are any videos or drapes you'd like me to attempt in the future, leave a comment below, subscribe, and I will see you in the future video.